Whatever you do, do not sleep on the Goodwill. I found this set for $9 and it is absolutely beautiful. I knew my client would absolutely love them, so I brought them home, gave them some metallic spray paint, and added a little bit of bling to make the color pop a little bit more. And just like that, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, they turned out awesome. I already had the spray paint and the bling on hand, so the total budget was only $9. Always remember, guys, style and elegance is not determined by a price tag. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe, like, and comment. And guess what? Stay tuned. More videos on the way. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.